Okay, this is so long overdue, and don't look at my dead roses in the back. During my month abroad in Costa Rica, we stayed at 4 different research stations. That was intentional. The whole point was to experience the different biomes that Costa Rica has scattered across its country. Each station has its own charm, allure, and aesthetic. They were all very different. So in the order that we stayed, the first station was Las Cruces. It was originally owned by the Wilson couple. They turned it into a botanical garden, and then it later became a research station. But it also lines and protects a very large fragment of pre-montane tropical forest. So it's very important for conservation, very important for research. It was an absolute dream waking up, walking down a hill full of bromeliads, and just being able to explore this vast plant collection. Higher in elevation, so the mornings were very cool, misty, but it was also connected to that pre-montane forest. So after class, we were able to go and explore and just get lost. It was magical. The second research station we stayed at was La Selva. Look, it's hard to pick a favorite station that we stayed at, but I think this one might be mine. The lowland tropical rainforest, so the biodiversity there was so abundant, so rich. This is where I saw the iconic leafcutter ants carrying the flower petals. This is where I saw sloths, monkeys, marshmallow bats, vipers, poison dart frogs. Like, the inner Steve Irwin inspired child in me was sparkling the entire time. But it was aggressively hot, just part of the tropical rainforest experience. Third research station was Cotier, and it's both a research station and international agriculture university. It houses one of the largest genetic collections of coffee in the world. So being able to study and play with all these coffee varieties was very fun, very cool. And finally, the last station we stayed at was Palo Verde National Park. It protects 2 important ecosystems, a tropical dry forest and seasonal wetlands. This one was so different from all of the others. It was very wild and raw. Mosquito density there was thick. Like, you couldn't walk with your mouth open. Also, I saw a massive croc here, so that was one of the highlights. And those were the 4 research stations I stayed at during my month abroad. It was honestly such a life-changing experience. It's been well over a year, and I still think about this trip to Costa Rica, and I still dream about it. And it was such a privilege to be able to learn by living in these spaces. And I'm pretty sure that all of these research stations are open to the public. So if you wanted to check them out, you can just call and schedule a tour. Okay, bye.